Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you guys can see, I'm gonna be trying a wig from Slove Hair. It came in this beautiful black box and it came with a few goodies that I'm gonna show you guys so you guys can see. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. So this is the wig. It has a HD lace. It's very transparent. Like it looks really good. This is how it came out of the box. No fixing, no bleaching, no nothing. Straight out of the box. Came already styled and everything. If you want to, you can go ahead and wear your wig straight up like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and fix it. So to fix it, I bleached the knots of the wig and then here I'm just plucking the hairline a little bit. I'm showing you guys how I do it because I feel like I never really show this part of the video, but it's just, you know, for you guys to see a little bit of the background work that I do on my wigs. So after I finish plucking the wig, I make sure the wig is flat, as you guys can see, working with my wax stick and my hot comb to make sure the hair is in place and it's flat and perfect and ready to install. So this is the result of how the hair came out after I finished working on it, and now I'm gonna move on to applying the wig on my head. So usually I like to do ball cap methods, but because this is a frontal, I rather just put my wig cap on. I put some foundation on my lace as well, and then I proceed with the installation. If you are a beginner, I feel like closures are the best way to go. They're easy to install. You can always wear them glueless. You don't have to worry about, you know, the sideburns lifting. It's just perfect. And these lace, you guys can, I don't even need to say anything about this hair because you can see it. Like you can literally see how well this lace blends with my skin. I haven't even cut the lace yet and you can't even see it anymore. Like this lace, it's literally so transparent, so invisible. It's just perfect. I'm gonna be using eBay lace spray once again to install my wig, just because it's the easiest way to do it. I like it because it's easier to remove. It lasts just as long as glue and it's less messy and it's easier to clean on the wig and on the skin. I do about 3 to 4 layers of the eBay lace spray, and then I put the wig on and I press it down with my rat tail comb, and I also use my blow dryer to make sure everything is dry before cutting the excess lace and putting my elastic band. So here I am about to cut my lace. I usually like to lift the lace a little bit until I'm like very close to the hairline, and it's fine if you cut 1 or 2 little hairs because it happens all the time and it makes the lace look even more natural. So to fix the lace after cutting it, I'm gonna use some eBay lace spray and just my fingers. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some eBay lace spray on it to make sure it lays down whatever little piece of lace did lift while cutting it, and then I'm gonna put the elastic band and move on to styling. To style the hair, because I had to wash it when bleaching the knots, I'm just gonna go ahead and give it back some light curls the way they had them before at the beginning. Yeah, pretty much that's everything I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna let you guys watch how I curl the hair, but basically it's just very lightweight curls. And then I'm gonna use a white tooth comb to spread out the hair and style it. This hair is extremely soft. It's really beautiful. Honestly, I'm gonna have all the details on my description box for anybody interested in this hair, so you guys can go ahead and purchase it, because honestly, it's just soft like butter. It's soft like butter. The lace is extremely transparent. It looks really good. I don't know about you, but this hair looks too good for me. This is gonna be everything for this video. I really hope you enjoy this quick little tutorial. If you want more information on this wig or any wig from Slove Hair, I am going to have all the information on my description box. Don't forget to check it out. I love you guys so much. Happy holidays, and I will see you guys on my next video. Mwah.
Yeah, you just wanna party, you just wanna lap dance, you just wanna pop up on these times, take you to Batman.